It's time to tell the truth. After 20 years in private practice, here's what I know. You're tired, you're frustrated, and you're confused. You've been following all the right advice year after year, and yet you still don't have the body or emotional balance you deserve. Do you still want to feel better, look better, live better, free of constant pain, fatigue, and overwhelm? Would you like to be a part of a supportive community, to join other women and allow a functional medicine doctor to guide you into creating the body and mindset of your dreams? If yes, then welcome. I'm Dr. Rimk, and I'm calling bullshit on the lies and broken promises you've been sold about your diet, your weight, and your stress. I teach a mind-blowingly simple and proven plan that focuses on nourishment, on building you up, not tearing you down, on what you need to gain, not on what you need to lose. I build tribal communities in 90-day rests where we get real, we get raw, and we get results. Click below to join before it's too late.